Ultimate Guide for Flushing Radiator with Vinegar and Baking Soda. The role a radiator plays in a vehicle cannot be downplayed. The radiator, after all, constitutes part of the car's cooling system, and it contains coolants, which help keep the vehicle in a prime state. When the radiator is clogged, it recommended that you flush out the radiator by replace the coolant entirely. And in some other occasion you may have to use baking soda or vinegar as the best homemade radiator flush you can lay your hands on at home. Your coolant become less effective over time due to the fact that your cars emit heat when in use, which absorbed by the coolant to keep the vehicle functional. You can perform a simple litmus test on the coolant to test whether it has become too acidic. Once the litmus test shows the coolant above recommended pH levels, it is an indicator you should flush the radiator. Hence, it is necessary to check the pH levels of radiators at intervals. Can you flush the radiator with vinegar? Yes, you can flush the radiator with vinegar because it is the most effective method to clean out all the debris and residue accumulated over the years. Moreover, you can choose to pour either 50% each of distilled water and white vinegar mixed up, or pure white vinegar, as it should be soaked overnight or left for a longer time. When using vinegar, precautions should be considered since it is a mild acid that can corrode metal and weaken rubber hoses. So, letting it run into the engine block through the hoses and water pumps gives it more opportunities to remain in the system even after flushing. Hence, the radiator should be entirely disconnected to avoid damage to the engine block. Household items to flush radiator. You can flush the radiator with the listed household items below: baking soda, vinegar, rubber gloves to keep the hands neat, distilled water for final flushing of the radiator before the coolant is introduced. Other relevant items include: it is essential to note that changing your coolant depends on car brand and sometimes age. Ideally, it should be changed after the first 60,000 miles if the car is brand new, and subsequently every 2 years. Flushing the radiator regularly can keep the car in prime condition. However, environmentalists advocate for less flushing to reduce liquid waste in the environment. Interesting, right? First off, you must know that vinegar is mildly acidic. So it is harmful to use vinegar in large quantities. However, vinegar can be pretty helpful. Yes, you guessed right. The vinegar sometimes used in cooking is precise to what we refer to. Work goggles to prevent injury to the eyes. Flushing radiator with vinegar. Here are the steps on how to flush a car radiator with vinegar. You can first place a bowl or low bucket under the radiator. Open the radiator drain valve and let the coolant drain into the bucket. Disconnect the radiator hose. Wait for 20 minutes to let all the fluid drain out. Pour a mixture of distilled water and vinegar of around 2 liters inside the radiator. Let it stay for a whole day. Release the hose and drain the fluid. Rinse the radiator with distilled water. Repeat until only pure distilled water comes out from the hose. Reconnect the hose to the radiator. Fill the radiator with the regular coolant. Remember not to leave traces of vinegar in the radiator. It has a corrosive quality and can cause damage to the radiator if no care is taken. How to clean a radiator with baking soda. Beside vinegar, some people also use baking soda to clean their radiators. Take a look at the following steps to guide you when using baking soda on radiator. Cooling your engine and draining all coolant from the radiator. Mix baking soda with distilled water. Remove radiator thermostat. Add the solution to your cooling system and run the engine until it's hot. Drain the system before flushing it again with distilled water. Flush until clear water comes out. Fill with new coolant as shown below. Some people advocate using baking soda with vinegar, but it is not advisable if you don't have an expert guide because you might end up causing damage to your cooling system. Vinegar and baking soda, which is the best? Precisely, vinegar is the best value solution for flushing the radiator, but professional solutions are more effective. My top recommendation of radiator flusher cleaners are: 1. Prestone AS105 Radiator Flush and Cleaner. This is an excellent product for the job. 2. A solid alternative is Liqui Moly 2051 Radiator Cleaner. This cleaner reduces running temperatures by up to 15 degrees. Having watched this video to this point, I hope you now understand the importance of flushing radiators regularly and the different methods using household items. If this video was helpful to you, Please share, like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. I will see you in my next video.